So similar to functionality in Google Sheets that helped you easily convert data to drop-down chips, you can now use bulk chip conversion for people chips. If you have a column of data that includes a variety of emails, Sheets will show a convert to people chips suggestion when you click into the data range by hovering over the indicator as you see. Okay, so we'll just say Scott Yagi, move the mouse away. Today.com. Still a weird one. We say no. It's just a fake one. Say tester at Yagisanatode.com. And then Yagisanatode. Okay, so now what's it going to do? Alright, so saying we can convert the chips here. That functionality hasn't come up yet, but the next bit is, in addition to the default format of display name, within the format menu, you will now be able to update the format of your people chips to one of the following: last name, first name, email address. Okay, so let's have a look at that. So here we go to format, smart chips, and then we've got the default space here. Okay, so that's all coming up. And then format, smart chip, last name, first name, when it finds it. So see, this one is a dodgy fake email address. We also have a pop-up down the bottom saying, hey, do we want to share with these people? No, we don't. What else we got? Format, smart chip, and the email address, which is a standard. So we can flip between those two locations. All right, so some bad news.